today I want to give a quick shout out to Vivid the Jet Setter. She is a Navy veteran who is now traveling the world as a full-time job. She will be doing a $500 giveaway on her channel July the 15th, so I will leave her link in the description box below. Check her out. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So today I'm going to be making a video on how to make a charming kiss cocktail. This is my first time trying this drink, so let's get started. So what I'm going to be using today is Smirnoff vodka, Hypnotic, cranberry juice, and some Minute Maid lemonade. So first what I'm going to do is start with my Hypnotic and lemonade. And I have a little shaker here that I got from a restaurant. And then 2 shots of the Minute Maid lemonade. Put the top on and then just mix it up a little bit. You can put ice in here as well and shake it up. I'm going to pour that in. I think I'll leave it about right there. And then next, I'm going to start with my cranberry juice and vodka. So I'm going to do I'll say 2 shots of vodka and then 1 shot of cranberry. Top on, mix it up a little bit, and then pour that in. I want to do it slow because I want to try and keep it all on top. And then what I'm going to do is just garnish it with a lime, cherry, and a blue raspberry. Alright. And there you have it, guys. The charming kiss. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know down below if there's anything you would like to see me make. And as always, thanks for watching my videos, guys. Bye-bye.